excavator, and I'm gonna have a little help with my dad. So yeah, let's.
What type of excavator is this? Is this a die-cast remote control excavator?
This is a die-cast remote control excavator, like you can see there.
Oh yeah.
And on the back, I'll show you some things. So it says 2.4 GHz for
Frequency control. Oh yeah.
Remote distance works, and take a screenshot of this, and then so then you can read this because I'm not gonna read all.
Alright.
Let's flip it. Now we're gonna cut this. Where do I cut it? Oh, there.
There's 2 tips there, I think.
Oh.
Did you cut it? Check your
No, I
fingers
didn't
first.
cut my.
One more.
And it also says 60 plus, so if you're not 6 plus, yeah. Are you ready to open?
One more tape to cut.
Are you ready to open
Mind your finger
anyway?
this time.
So I also must have my sister Neva. Come here. She's 4 years old and I'm 6. And my dad is filming. Unpacking.
Neva might need to help a little bit.
Yeah, my sister.
What is that? Instructions?
So these are the instructions. You can screenshot these.
Oh yeah, username.
So, hey Neva, I need your help. You guys stay there. Hey Neva.
Here you go.
Okay, so I'm back and with my sister Neva this time. So Neva, I want you to pull this. So like I'm actually gonna pull it. Neva, you hold on to this.
Elsa, you also pull from that side. You pull from that side. Pull it out.
I'll help. I'm gonna help Neva, and my dad's gonna help me. So it's like. Oh, this is hard. Oh, I finally got it out. We're gonna take the box away.
Does it have a driver?
And so you can see. Ooh.
Is it strong? Oh yeah, metal die cast. Ooh.
Whoa,
It's not plastic, it's strong.
It's strong. It's like metal.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
called
this
die
is a-
cast.
This is controller. What is this?
That's
It's stronger, strong.
what is called? It's called forgot.
So my dad forgot what this is. So we're gonna now cut these pieces.
Oh, battery fell off from there. See, spare parts are there. Take all those things
Oh,
out.
so this is the battery.
Yeah.
If you have, this looks really random. If my dad wasn't here, I would not know what this is. I would say like it's an obstacle something. Okay, let's leave that. So what should we do first? Do we cut these?
Yeah, if you can. Is it
Pretty
hard?
hard to cut.
Okay, I will
You-
help you then.
Help.
Can you get those things out? The charger.
And do not use scissors. Like, I'm using them because I know how to, and I be careful. So, so we're gonna leave this on the top. Oh, it's like a present actually. Some duct tape. There's some sticky tape.
Oh, a practice ball.
Oh, so there's a bowl to practice like scooping it up.
Yeah.
That's cool.
See
Look
this
at
one?
that.
There's another scooping thing that can scoop it out.
And this is another like normal scissors, like a machine that goes like this, and you get some candy or something.
Oh yeah.
So this is all that we
And what
have.
is that, charger or something?
These are the chargers, and let's cut these all open. It's a little hard cutting these, so like these. So these are how they secure it. Oh my god! Oh my god! I just knocked down. Okay. Oh my god. So these are what we got. And oh my god, there's so much of these. Now we're gonna flip it. Okay. So now we're gonna take this out. Oh my god! This is bigger than I even thought. Actually, I need it. This is harder than I thought. Oh, yeah, that was loud. So this. So these are what we got. And now I'm gonna get this one. Okay, this kind of looks like, I don't know what this is for, so.
That is for smashing something, like it's called, it's not vibrator. Oh, it's heavy.
Oh yes.
You know, when you attach with that excavator, it can dig like smashing thing. I forgot the right word for it. Sorry about that.
So my dad forgot the word, and it like goes like ding, 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 ding.
Can you bring that manual? It might be in there. Yeah.
So these are the instructions. So like my dad's gonna read it out loud.
Hammer function. Activate hammer function, and this is the capture function. See, it can capture. This is hammer function, and that is the digger function. Excavator.
Okay, so
Ooh.
that's so cool, and I wanna get to it. So
So
now we're
you-
gonna build the parts.
So you need to charge it. Start charging it.
Okay, but how? No, first we're gonna like look. How do we attach this? Like,
It's
okay,
easy.
so let's
We need
move
to-
this old stuff like over here,
We need to unscrew it here.
and you can have a look at these stuff. So
Oh,
now
the
we're
wheels
gonna
are
look
cool.
at this. So what can the digger do?
That's
So-
the driver compartment.
So this is, you can put like a Lego doll or something, like so something that can fit in. Do you guys have any lights?
Not sure.
If they do, it'll be cool.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and make sure you give us a thumbs up. Oh yeah. Give us a thumbs up over there, and hit the bell over there. Comment below. And keep watching our channel. So
we will charge the battery, and we will
and
record
put some
another
battery in it.
video of this operation later. Is that alright? We upload another video of operation after
Yeah.
this. Okay?
So first I need to show you after I say goodbye. So how do you, yeah.
So catch you in a minute. Bye.
So it like can dig if I turn it off. Oh, that moves.
Yeah. That's why we need the.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hit that subscribe button, and if you hit it, don't forget to turn on the bell. It'll go ding ding ding.